Basically, yeah, that's what it is. So I'm going to show you all. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use the 1.19, well, 1.19, I mean 1.18 features here. That way they will glow, and you'll all be able to see it. So yeah. Basically, okay, so I'm going to show you all the rulebook. We have tons of them actually. So basically, I think I may have put them in here. I don't remember, but yeah. If I did, I'm going to find out soon actually. Alright, now this is only, okay, so basically the only people that are allowed to come in here is the people that I've assigned that are allowed to come in here. Like the staff. The staff members are allowed to come in here. So here's what you gotta do if you want to open up this thing. Alright, I messed it up again. Hang on a minute. That's the right one right there. So, place the lever right there to open the doors. That's how you do it. If I could find this thing... Oh. Alright, I think I might have put it inside the shulker box. I don't see it anywhere. I don't think it's in there. Oh, there it is. I think we have the staff rules too. We got another rules thing. More rules. Let me look at this. But anyways, yeah, so this is the rule book thing. Oh yay, no more ADFK. No more AFK. Yeah, I turned off AFK because of the whole situation with the whole kicking thing. I don't like it, so that's why I turned it off. Please don't turn it on again. I removed it for a reason. I'm just trying to find the staff rules. Is this it? I think this might be it, everyone. Okay, this is the same thing, so I'm gonna put it back in here. Yeah, I can't find it, everyone, but hopefully I find it soon. But the staff members need to see the rules too, so they'll know not to break them. But yeah. I think it's in my ender chest. I'm gonna break that command block. I don't need it. What's that? Okay, I see something in here, everyone. Oh no. I don't want to duplicate that. I'm not gonna worry about it for now. But anyways, I want to read the rules. It says, "Hello, welcome to our server. Please read the rules. Caps and spam. Please do not spam or type in all caps. We get it. You get excited sometimes and want to type in all caps, but please don't type in all caps and don't spam, otherwise punishment will be taken. Hate/discrimination. We do not tolerate any form of hate/discrimination. If you are found discriminating, then you will be permanently banned from our server. Griefing. Do not grief or punishment will be taken. Cursing and swearing. As stated before, we do not tolerate any cursing. That includes racism, hate, discrimination, extreme hate/discrimination. If you are found being discriminative, racist, or swearing, cursing, you will be banned. Do not ask for op. Your answer will be no. Inappropriate language, name, or skin will result in being IP banned. Do not make any threats or you will be IP banned. Staff disrespect. If you disrespect any staff members, you will be kicked. If you make this action again, you will be Tempban. If you do it a third time, you'll be banned. Hacks/exploits will result in a ban. Thank you for taking the time to read our rules. Have a nice day. So yeah, those are the rules. Yeah. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Hopefully this brings good information to you all, because, yeah, I worked really hard on this. Yeah, enjoy, this video, and I will make more. See you later, everyone.